So who have we got flying the display for us today, Shamsa?
This year Hawk qualified
developed originally by Hawker Siddeley as a replacement for the RIAT in the advanced training role.
Yeah, hard to believe that what we're looking at here, this aircraft actually originated from 1964 one, an training aircraft. To replace the RIAT, the initial specification was on the 15 January. Mark 66 that we bought from Switzerland years ago.
Service, the Hawk replaced two very different platforms. The Fuga Magistans came from the Valmet factory in Finland, which is now known as Patria. So Samson, talk us through what it's like to be a new Finnish airman. What's the process you go through to get up to training on the Hawk?
Yeah, first you start flying as a conscript. During the conscript service, you fly with the basic training. At the moment with Vinka, but in the future, with basic training, and you do it for around 6 months. You go to National University and you study there, the bachelor's degree. And during the studies, you fly for the first 2 years, again with the Vinka, or we call the drop, and more advanced missions and different missions with that. And during the last year of the basic training program, around half a year. And been in service for more than 40 years and it still goes on. So we can do the modifications
smooth, elegant display. We, as I say, have an aircraft here in the colour scheme of your aerobatic team, the Midnight Hawks. We were hoping to see a different one here, weren't we?
Yeah, we have also, all the Finnish aircraft have one Hawk painted completely with white and blue, the colours of the Finnish flag, but unfortunately that way is now underway, so pretty much with air-to-air combat.
Yes.
Also. And but nowadays also we do the ground missions, we practice them, and it's really exciting. A lot of fun, and really exciting.